Hello everyone, welcome to Aanvii Hearing. Today let us discuss how long can a hearing test last. The duration of a hearing test can vary depending on several factors including specific test being conducted, the complexity of the individual's hearing health and the protocols followed by the hearing healthcare professional. However, on average, a comprehensive hearing test typically lasts between 30 minutes to an hour. During the appointment, the audiologist or hearing healthcare professional will conduct various tests to assess different aspects of your hearing, such as pure tone audiometry, speech audiometry, and potentially other specialized tests. They will also take the time to discuss your medical history, lifestyle, and any concerns or symptoms you may be experiencing. It's important to note that this time frame is an estimate and can vary based on individual circumstances. Additionally, follow-up appointments or additional tests may be recommended depending on the results and specific needs identified during the initial hearing test. For more information, visit our website, which is www.aanvihearing.com, or book an appointment with us for a free hearing evaluation, or call us at 965839 5839.